The President of the Republic of Belarus is the head of state of Belarus. The office was created in 1994 with the passing of the Constitution of Belarus by the Supreme Soviet. This replaced the office of chairman of the Supreme Soviet as the head of state. The tasks of the president include executing foreign and domestic policy, defending the rights and general welfare of citizens and residents, and upholding the Constitution. The president is mandated by the Constitution to serve as a leader in the social affairs of the country and to act as its main representative abroad. The duties, responsibilities and other transitional clauses dealing with the presidency are listed in Chapter 3, Articles 79 through 89 of the Constitution. The term for the president is 5 years, but due to a 1996 referendum, the election that was supposed to occur in 1999 was pushed back to 2001. Under the 1994 Constitution, the president could only serve for 2 terms as president, but due to a change in the Constitution, term limits were eliminated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.